Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Chi and Kai. Today we're talking about what is consolidation settlement in this presentation. Okay, so what is consolidation, right? The term consolidation describes the process by which a soil mass decreases in volume in response to either natural or man-made loading. Natural loading that induce consolidation result from geological process such as sedimentation. Man-induced consolidation is a result of surface loading associated with the construction of building or soil embankment and others processes such as excavation, underground excavation, and the extraction of subsurface fluid, right? So let's go to the next slide. Okay, what is consolidation foundation? As you can see here, the second definition here, consolidation is the process of dissipation of excess pore pressure. Yeah, this is a main point, process of dissipation of excess pore pressure. As you can see here in this, this is just an example photo that I took from Google. Just this case, like wanted to show that like after the pressure that going down for the purpose of consolidation is actually going down like this, and then the water actually came out. As you can see here, reduction of volume of water. This is the process of consolidation. Okay, so this is actually the site that I take. Actually, it's in between F Club and Factory, as you can see here. Yeah, there's a lot of grass actually. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so this is actually a picture of consolidation settlement. Yeah, the overview of this site. There's actually a column, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so this is actually, you can see a column, right? Okay, so this is actually another video that I wanted to show. During that time, I took this video like around a bit ready. So as you can see, like this is actually quite easy to scratch off. This is very easy to scratch off. It's quite very squishy because of there's water that involved in the soil. But as you can see that actually it's not very easy to scratch off the soil also, because there's already a consolidation settlement process gone through in the past period. Yeah. Okay, so I wanted to show this website. Okay, so basically what is this website talking about is there's actually a three phase of consolidation of soil. Alright, so this is actually consolidation, reduction of volume of water. Alright, so there's actually a primary, initial consolidation, primary consolidation, and secondary consolidation. Alright, so what basically initial consolidation is saying that when the load is applied to a partially saturated soil, a decrease in volume occurs due to explosion and compression of air in the void. Alright, so after that we will go towards to the quaternary consolidation. So after initial consolidation, further reduction in volume occurs due to the explosion of water from the void. Okay, when the saturated soil is subjected to a pressure, and then initially all applied pressure is taken up by water. Okay, so secondary consolidation is by meaning that the reduction in volume continues at very slow rate even after excess hydrostatic pressure developed by the applied pressure is fully dissipated and the primary consolidation is complete. So that's the meaning, that's the concept that really applies in this picture that I just showed. I think that's all from my presentation. Thank you.